Hi beautiful people, my name is Lucy and today it's a quick introduction of Oscar Neo, the cold press juicer. Here is Oscar and today we are going to be juicing some wheatgrass and it will be mostly green today. I've got some kale, I've got some celery sticks and also something from my garden. It's a lesser celandine and I've got one primrose flower. It's been really freezing outside, so I couldn't get anything else from my garden. This is the pulp. And this is the green beauty. Here we go, some chlorophyll beauty. I'm going to dilute it with water, it's quite strong like that. And here we've got great ideas what to do, and we've got something about wheatgrass. So let me read a bit for you. Wheatgrass is a baby wheat. Woohoo! Planted on the soil and not sown. Wheatgrass produce high concentration of chlorophyll. You can see it as, it's really greenish color. So I'm not doubting this. Active enzymes, vitamins and other nutrients. Chlorophyll makes up over 70% of the solid content of wheatgrass juice and is the basis of all plant life. It is often referred to as the blood of plant life, as it closely resembles the molecule in human red blood cells. It's really interesting, right? Wheatgrass is not only rich in chlorophyll, it has 100 elements needed by the body to keep vital and nourished if grown in organic soil. Wheatgrass absorbs 92 of the 102 minerals from the soil. And I will leave you in the description below little tips how to start with wheatgrass. If you are not used to it, just start really small. There are some dosages suggestions, so I leave them there, because if you are not used to it and you will start with high doses, it can upset your stomach, and slow is fast. Whatever you're starting, just start really small and build it up slowly. I'm gonna dilute my minerals and vitamins, and I will have a proper party. So cheers to the good life. That's all from me, guys. From my heart to your heart. Bye, until next time.